So great morning, everyone. Our topic for today is network cabling, networking 1, IT 222. So as you can see, I am accredited by TESDA, and I am a NC2 passer of computer system servicing. So let's move on. So what is network cable? Network cable are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches, and storage area networks. These cables are essentially the carrier of or media through which data flows. So let's move on. UTP categories or copper cable. So we have different types of UTP category: data rate, maximum length, cable type, and application. So Cat1 up to 1 Mbps or cable type is twisted pair, or it is commonly used to old telephone cables, as well as Cat2 up to 4 Mbps twisted pair. And the application for this one is the use of token ring networks. So Cat3 up to 10 Mbps. Maximum length is 100 meter twisted pair and talking ring, and 10 base dash T Ethernet. So Cat4 up to 16 Mbps, 100 meter twisted pair token ring networks. So commonly we are using Cat5 up to 100 Mbps, 100 meter Ethernet, fast Ethernet, and token ring. So as the time goes by, it is upgraded into Cat5e up to 100 gigabytes per second. So 100 meter, as well as twisted pair Ethernet, fast Ethernet, and gigabyte Ethernet. So Cat6 up to 10 Mbp, 10 gigabytes, 100 meter twisted pair gigabit Ethernet, 10G Ethernet to 55 meters. So as well as they improve it into Cat6 up to up to 10 gigabytes per second, 100 meter twisted pair gigabyte Ethernet, as well as, wait a minute, 10 gig Ethernet, 55 meters, and Cat7, the last one, up to 10 gigabyte per second, 100 meter twisted pair gigabit Ethernet, 10 gig Ethernet, 100 meters. So as you can see, I have a Cat6, no, Cat5e to be exact, Cat5e cable that is for outside. We have two types: the black one for outside or outdoor, and the white one, like this one white, for indoor. So let's move on, guys. So the RJ45, the 8-pin RJ45 connector is standardized interface which often connects a computer to a local area network or a LAN. This type of connector was originally developed for telecommunications, but is now used in a range of applications. The abbreviation RJ45 stands for Registered Jack 45. So let's move on. A crimping tool. A crimping tool is used to deform a material and create a connection. Connection crimping is commonly used in electrical work to attach wire together or wire to other connectors, such as RJ45. So as you can see, we have this one, the color green one, and this slot is for RJ45, and the middle part is for RJ45. Then the yellow one is the cutter, or to open a wire like this one. I used to open this one for you able to see what is inside of this Cat5e connector, and I assemble it to a straight through connection. And what is straight through connection? Let's move on. The network cable tester. So a network cable tester is an electronic device that measures the conductivity between two ends of a cable. It is also checks and measures signal for correct wiring. There are two most common ways of testing the connection. Tester sends a current current down the wire and measure its level. This is called a continuity. So let's move on. So if your cable is straight through, or and you check it into the network cable tester, and if counts 1 to 8 to the ground, then it is possible that your cable is a good one. So let's move on. So straight through connection, what is the color combination for straight through? So straight through connection uses the combination of white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So as you can see, I make it so it's very small. So white, orange, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, white, brown, brown. So this is a type of this is a type of straight through. So one side of this one is straight through, the other side is straight through. So so the color combination of these two is a straight through connection. So let's deal with the other one, the crossover. So as you can see, I created a straight through connection for this part, the one side, and the other side is, let's move into white, green, white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. So after you set it, after you set the color combination, just cut it into a straight one for you to able to put this wire into the RJ45 correctly. So if you put it in a straight way, so there is a possible that connection is your connection will be successful. So that's only. So sorry for not for the short video. So my name is James Bryan A. Tababa. You can call me into 0906 6894830, and you can email me at jamesbryantababa1226 @gmail.com. So that's only.